guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. So today will be another video on the F30. I am going to BMW right now to pick up some parts. As you guys see by the title, I did find some hidden damage. I'm gonna put my phone down because there's a copper right there. I don't know if any of you guys noticed, but one of my wheels were like sitting a little crooked. So I always thought it was my control arm. That's what I was guessing, but it is actually my tie rod. So I'm gonna need a new whole tie rod for the passenger side, because I'll show you guys later in the video. It is like completely like bent inwards. I don't know if this is from the accident or if it's from the auction, because at the auctions the what's it called, the forklifts, they tend to I heard a bunch of times where they like miss, like when they go to pick up the car, they like hit one of the control arms or tie rods and stuff. So I'm guessing it might be from that, but whatever it's from, I need a new one. That shouldn't be a big deal. I think it runs at like 60 bucks. So hopefully we don't run into any problems trying to change that. And also my top radiator support came in, and my reinforcement, the front piece, that aluminum bar is supposed to come in today or tomorrow. From BMW, I'm going to pick up the V brace, and then the top and bottom air ducts, the plastic air ducts. It's crazy because the V brace runs at like 60 bucks. I thought it would have been way cheaper, like $20 to $30, but I couldn't find it cheaper anywhere, so I just went ahead and ordered from BMW. And plus I got one of my friends that worked there, so he hooked it up for me. But yeah, I don't know why they're so expensive, but I guess you kind of need that because it does a purpose. Got a BMW bag, because why not? Alright guys, so I am back at the shop. The first thing I'm going to install and unbox is this radiator support top piece, whatever it's called right here. So let's go ahead and unbox that and bolt that on, and hopefully everything aligns up. I know that's like one of the main things that holds like the radiator and the condenser and fan and all that. So let's go ahead and get that unboxed real quick. I thought I just heard the UPS stop by. Oh yes. Can you guys guess what this is? Just a wild guess. Parts are coming in, boys and girls. Upper bracket, radiator bracket screwed on. I didn't tighten it all the way, the little hood latches, just because I want to make sure the hood closes perfectly on them. And we'll see if I have to adjust them at all. So I'm gonna test fit and see if the hood closes. If it does, I'm gonna tighten everything up, and then we'll move on to the next plastic piece down there. Alright, so never mind on that. I can't actually close the hood because the hood is messed up right here. Since I have this new support on, it won't close, so it's all good. We'll wait for that step until I change out the hood. Alright, so I got all these on. It is bolted on with the side screws. I still need to do this top one. There's 2 screws right here. And this is why you guys should always keep your old parts when you take them off. Because look, I got these 2 screws right here. And I'm just saying, these 2 screws right here probably run you around like 20 bucks at BMW, which is ridiculous. So that's why you should always keep your old parts. Take all the screws off, take everything you can use. Plus these right here. These are like little, not screws, but they go in here and hold the radiator in place. And I heard those are really expensive too, like almost like 40 bucks or something stupid like that. But yeah, keep your old parts, guys. So the problem I'm having right now is I'm trying to take these 2 bolts off right here. But from the impact of the crash, this thing got pushed in. There's no way for me to fit like a socket in there or a T40 or whatever size it is. So right now I'm trying to like bend this metal back so I can fit something in there to take these out, because I really need these. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. There we go. Heck yeah. All right, I think clamping it down and pushing it worked, just like you guys saw. I think that's enough room for me to take those screws out. Let's try. Oh, I need a bigger socket. I'm gonna finish up putting these 4 bolts on over here to hold this air duct in place, and pretty much it's these screws. I think it's a T30, and I got the old little clips. I don't know what you want to call these, and these go on the back side of this, and they screw straight into this. So if you don't have this, these screws, the T30s, will not screw on. So make sure you guys get these little clips off. Alright guys, so we did get a lot done today. I'm gonna go ahead and stop here and continue the rest of the video tomorrow. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow in the morning. Alright guys, so it is the next day. We're gonna get right back into it. Today I really want to get this tie rod fixed so I can actually start moving the car. So I don't know if you guys, I don't think I've shown you guys yet, but you guys can see right here, this is completely bent inwards. This is supposed to be straight, so that's why my this wheel is staying really crooked. So it shouldn't be that hard of a fix. I know there's like one nut on there that's like super hard to break loose, but I watched a couple videos on this obviously because this is my first time doing it. But yeah, hopefully it's not too bad. I have all the tools I need, so let's just get right into it. So my package from FCP just came in. And this is actually the tie rod. I already took the other one off. Like I showed you guys, it was really bent. I didn't film the process of me taking it off, but it's kind of a hassle, but got it done. So I'm gonna go ahead, open this box and just go ahead and install, and then I can finally drive this car because the wheel will actually be straight. Alright guys, so as I was editing, I realized I didn't have an outro for this video, so I was just gonna go ahead and make one real quick. But yeah, pretty much, I guess I didn't film any more videos after this. I did get the tie rod on and all that, and the wheel is staying like perfect now. It's like straight. I put the wheel on, and you guys will see all this in the next video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. I also do want to apologize for not uploading anytime recently. I was waiting for a bunch of parts to come in, and I didn't really have any content to film. Everything did come in, and that should be it for ordering anything. I do have everything, so that's a good sign. Like I said, next video I'll get everything painted. My hood, my bumper, will start looking like a complete car, and I'll probably test drive it in the next video. I'm excited to do that. So if you guys do enjoy these type of videos, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.